The families are on their way. We made means for them to travel here. They are not traveling alone. They are with our employee health and wellness unit. We've got our chaplains that are with them. We've got our social workers.
Glenda, I know this is incredibly difficult. We're very emotional at this time, and I think just very quickly before we let you go, we've got to understand your situation as well. With these police officers investigating some cases, or this has left everyone very confusing.
Look, at this stage, we don't want to rush to speculate because the investigation is still underway. It could be that they were involved in an accident and it threw them over this river. It could be that they were probably targeted for the work that they do, but let's not speculate, Let us wait until we meet with the families. General Fanny Masemola is going to be meeting with the families as soon as they land in Pretoria. He will be together with our chaplains and bring them to speed on what we do have at this stage.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosazana Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. 3 missing constables were allegedly found at Hinopes River lapha ku N1 eCenturion. Lamaphoyisa lamathathu anyamalele last week kani bekubafathi lababili kanye nendoda leyi-1 Constable Qebekhulu, Constable Giyabetswe no Constable Boyipilo. They were traveling in a white VW Polo ayisedam from Bloemfontein kanti balibangise laphana ku deployment yabo eLimpopo when they went missing. Baqine kubonakala lapha egarage bathela ipetrol and kwabaqena kwabo kubabona their phones were off, imoto ingatrackeki, and people started getting worried ngemva kokuthi ku-announce endzabeni ngokuthi kulahleke amaphoyisa lamathathu. Bathuka abantu ngendlela lesimanga thinking ukuthi if ukhona kukidnapwa amaphoyisa nyamalale asiyini thina singasiwo amaphoyisa. Yes, we know ukuthi babantu nabo, but the fact that kunemuntu obantu rather laba decide ko kidnapper amaphoyisa, you guys, that's wild. So their bodies were recovered today lapha ku N1 eHinopes. It's Hinopes edamini lapha. So bathole imitimba leyi-2 kushoda mtimba wemuntu loyi-1. So they are still searching for the missing constable. So balabaningi bathuka ngendlela lesimanga, ngendlela ukuthi some even think ukuthi this is not true, this did not happen, these are fake news, but they are not fake news, guys. Ngokubona kwami mina vele bantu labaningi basebanema-assumptions babona ukuthi it seems like ngeke batholakale baphila, as much as kubuhlungu ngisho nasemndenini ngisho nasebantwini bantu bathukile bashaqekile, but guys bekubonakala nje ukuthi lana kukhona sandla semfene, khona lokushaya amande. People started getting nervous anangalesikhathi sekhipha ngisho reward at 350k kokuthi bantu labane information they must come forward. People started noticing and seeing how serious this thing was. Ngaze khishwa imali kuthiwe i-reward, guys, cha kusuke sekushube ngempela. So kubuhlungu kakhulu indaba lethu buhlungu because nemindeni yabo beyisho ukuthi ayithukile each and every day ilanga malidlula i-hope iyehla because badibuta ukuthi bakuphi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.